Hello students, today we will learn about human digestive system. So let us start this video. Student, what is meant by digestion, absorption and defecation? The conversion of food into simple soluble forms is known as digestion. After digestion, food is absorbed by the body. This is called absorption. The unabsorbed food is thrown out of the body in the form of feces. This process is known as defecation. The digestive system in our body consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, mouth. When animals take in food, we say they are feeding. The mouth is the entrance of digestive tract. The mouth contains tongue, teeth, and salivary glands. When the food is taken in the mouth, the tongue, jaws, and teeth work together in grinding the food. So, digestion of the food begins in the mouth. While chewing, you feel a watery liquid being secreted in your mouth. This is saliva, which is secreted by salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands in the mouth. Saliva helps in digestion of food. Teeth. The teeth cut and grind the food to break it down into smaller particles. All of us have 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first one we have from the time when we are babies until we are about 6 years old. These are known as milk teeth or temporary teeth. When milk teeth fall out, permanent teeth take their place. There are 32 teeth in all, 16 in each jaw. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. These are called incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors. These are found in front of the mouth. They are chisel shaped and mainly used for biting and cutting. Canine. These are pointed and used for piercing and tearing pieces of food. Premolars. These are 2 on each side of each jaw. These teeth have flat surfaces bearing small grooves and ridges. These are adapted to crush and grind the food. Molars. These are the last 3 teeth sides in both the jaws. They have flat surfaces with small projections for effective grinding of the food. Tongue. Tongue is the organ used for taste. It contains taste buds to distinguish whether a type of food is sweet, sour, bitter, or salty. It also helps in rolling and pushing the food into pharynx. It mixes the saliva with the food. The process of chewing of food, during which it mixes with saliva, is known as mastication. Esophagus. It is the passage of food between the mouth and the stomach. While swallowing the food, a flap called epiglottis prevents it from entering lungs and choking us. Through the esophagus, food reaches the stomach. The stomach is a bag-like structure. In the stomach, the food is mixed with gastric juices secreted by the gastric glands of the stomach. Gastric juice converts the food into semi-solid state called chyme. Small intestine. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine. It is the longest part of the digestive system. It is called tube and is about 6 meters in length. It consists of 3 parts, namely duodenum, jejunum and ileum, as you can see in this video. In the small intestine, the food is mixed with bile juice and the pancreatic juice. These are secreted by the liver and pancreas respectively. Both these juices help in digestion. Some substances cannot be digested. These materials are passed into the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is thicker but smaller in length than the small intestine. It consists of 3 parts, namely cecum, colon and rectum. It helps in absorbing water and removing undigested solid waste from the body in the form of feces, which is stored in the lower part of large intestine called rectum. It's sent out from the body through the anus by a process called defecation.